And we've got heavier rain. Runs. Rain won't go away. That's flicked down fine leg for 4 runs by Alfie. And that is cut away but edgy by Alf and just narrowly misses the fielder for 4 runs. And that's flicked off his pads for 4 runs by Alf. Shot from Toby, pull round, and that is 4 runs. Shot from Sam. 4 runs straight down the ground. Flicked by Sam through kind of long on, a curious shot, and it's 4 runs. Down the ground from Sam. Very straight, and that's 4 runs. Across the line from Toby, aerial, long on, and there are 2 apparently. Okay, cut by Sam, and that has gone for 4. Very nice shot. New bowler from the Hove Park Road end. Gives a full toss to start with, which Sam dispatches through the cover point region. 4 runs. Might have been a noble height, but not given. And that's lashed over point region for 4 by Sam.